Come on. All right. Like wait. Like wait. Gee.
That was intense.
Skills at skillsmethod.com, that's for seduction.com. A big shout out to all the hustlers, bustlers, players, pimps, puas, natural, gigolos, max playboys, fuck it, everybody. Hey guys, I decided to, I haven't been posting videos, I'm too busy, but this is a video that I needed to make, okay? Urgently. It was inspired by a seducer of pure evil. Look, notice how at my gym, people dress like shit. Look at that. Good looking guys, some strong guys, younger than me. Look how they dress, like total shit, total crap, total S. This was a video inspired by a seducer named Glow. Glow made a video on how he does pickups at the gym, and a lot of seducers participated. And I'm a gym virgin. I'm still with hundreds and hundreds of plays. I still have never gotten laid at the gym because I don't care about getting laid at the gym. I don't like seeing women's over and over and over. I don't like that. But anyways, but a seducer named Pure Evil, he said that he picks up girls at the gym, and we were talking, and the conversation got to a style. So the right style for the gym is like this: is that type of pants, invisible socks, and the modern shoes. Or you can do it like this with a shirtless shirt. Some clothes are a beanie if you have the hair, long hair, and a bandana. Okay, so these are example of me following what Pure Evil taught me. This is not right because this is not perfect because if you notice the shirt is a little tight. Now here, this one is better. This one you notice everything on point, everything perfect. Okay, and a jacket, it was cold that day, so that's the type of jacket I recommend. Okay. Modern, everything modern. Notice the difference between me and the people at the gym. Again, look at my style inspired by Pure Evil. And here in this video, I cuffed a little bit the shirt to call more attention to my tattoo and to call more attention to my nice arms. Women love my arms. Alright, I get a lot of compliments on my arms. Let's see what else. Let me show you more styles. But it's embarrassing that me. Here I'm showing the cuffs of my arms. It's embarrassing that me, at my age, I'm the best dressed guy at my gym, as you could see. You see, very modern, everything on point, invisible socks, the shoes cleanliness, clean. With the jacket, that's the jacket I recommend. Okay, that jacket, if it's light blue, it matches with khaki. And it matches with the military style jeans. Okay. And for those guys that like tight pants, I'm gonna show you also with a little bit of tighter sweatpants. Remember, the sweatpants have to be cuffed, not too long. It has to be on top, right on top of the shoes. Invisible socks showing the skin. I don't recommend high tops. Okay. Here is again. This one is with sweatpants. Those sweatpants a little long, but it looks good. It looks good. Also, you gotta show the tightening string on the sweatpants. I like that style. Okay. Again, this was inspired by Pure Evil, logic and reasoning. Because there me. Oh, showing the invisible socks, guys. Again, and this type of shirt I've been playing with this type of shirt at the gym. Is like a oval. I don't know how you call that, but it's like you can see the strings, showing the strings, long strings. Look at that penis. Not you guys, no homo. Alright, so you see how it looks. And I've been getting a lot of looks at the gym. You see my headphones, my mask on, my tattoo showing off. You see I'm in shape, guys. Everything on point. Sometimes I even go to clubs dressed like this, but I don't recommend it. On Sundays, casual days. Again, everything on point. Khaki, showing different outfits. Okay. You can play a match. Look at the share style that I like. A little. Pure Evil likes it a little baggy, the chairs like that. Then my gloves, my headphones. Again with the jacket, if it gets cold. Also, guys, Pure Evil, he wears a beanie. Again, the beard on point, the grooming on point, everything clean. Showing the strings of the jeans, invisible socks, everything on point. I'm gonna make more videos like this, and I recommend you guys before you go out, take a little video of yourselves to make sure the clothes are on point. Like me making this video, the first shirt you can notice is a little tight. Okay, guys. Here is with the little. I just bought those pants. Those are a little tighter. But it looks good. Look how sexy. I look better than most guys that are in shape and fitness influencers because of the clothes. You see, everything on point. Everything on point. Pure Evil is gonna be proud of me. Alright guys, that's all I got. I'm gonna make some clothing styles video. My style is on point, as you can see. I'm gonna make the same for clubs. Alright guys, hey guys, I need you to like, subscribe, help me out with the channel, okay? Pickup is dying, I need you guys to support me. I'm gonna be giving a free PlayStation 7, 5 or 4 or whatever it is. So the way I'm gonna give it is I'm gonna give you a link or where you can buy it with your own money, okay guys? Like, subscribe, get the book. If you don't like it, suck on my left nut. Get the book, get the fuck out. Out!